Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add filters in our category page in our Wix Studio website. So here I am in my category page in my website. If you don't know how to go here, just click on this button right here. You will have the different pages displayed and just click on category page and then you will be redirected into this web page of your website. So we will just select the layer of our category page. Then once it's done, let's just move this out of the way and then we'll just click on settings, click on filters, and then we already have our filters turned on. So if we turn this off, the filters on the sidebar of our website will be gone, but if we turn it on again, it will be added right here. So if you want to edit some features right here, you can show the filters title, or you can turn this off so it doesn't have the title anymore. To turn this on, you can have the title. And if you want to turn this off, so the applied filter section will be gone, or it will be turned on. For example, if you want to change the title, so for example filter, you just change it into all caps, and then we have our text right here reflected into the website. For example, I want to add a custom filters. For example, I just want to have the filter name to be like best products. For example, I just want to have the best sellers category and then the new arrivals category. So it will be displayed on our website, and then we can already see the best products filter is already in our website. So in order to view this, we can just click on preview, and then once we click on this, the website just reloaded. We'll wait for it to load for a bit, and then right after it's done, again we'll just click on best products. Then now we have our custom filters right here, as well as the other filters for the website. So that's basically it in how to add filters into your website. You can just edit some other options right here if you want. Oops. Just click on settings again. Again, you can just edit some other features right here if you want, but that's basically it in how to add filters in your Wix Studio website. If you want to change the design, you can do so as well. For example, for the filters, again, just scroll down. So currently the filter background color is white. For example, we want to change it. Then now we have our background color. But if you want to change the font color, again like that, so that we can see the design of our filters changing. Once we change this color into white. So you can be creative with this, just explore the different features right here from the settings of Wix Studio in order to customize the filter section of your website. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned how to do it in your own website. Again, thank you.